Many of our homes have Andersen doors just like this one, and they can be a little tricky the first time you lock them. So let me give you a little video demonstration of how you're going to lock this door. To unlock the door from the outside, insert the key, turn just like a normal door. To lock the door from the outside, the trick is you raise the handle up, insert your key, and turn the key to lock. To unlock the door, just like any door, you're going to turn the deadbolt, lower the handle. First, you're going to raise the handle up, then you're going to turn the deadbolt. That locks the door. We hope this video helps. Enjoy your Galveston vacation with Ryson Real Estate and Vacation Rentals. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page for more walkthrough videos and all things vacationing on Galveston Island.